What's up my Shuggies, Ashley here, and in today's video I have something super special that I've been working on for a few months now, and it is my patio makeover. During the start of quarantine, I decided that since my patio was empty, I would go ahead and make it over. Thanks to help from some of my favorite places, I have completely remodeled my blank, bare, poor, sad patio into an amazing, comfortable oasis. So if you are interested in seeing this video, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, here is the final look at everything, and I still have a couple little tiny things that I want to do, but I just wanted to go through and show you while everything is still available online in case you wanted to get anything for your patio. So starting off in this corner, this is just an old artificial tree that I actually took from sorry, that's my sensor, that I took from my parents' house when they moved, and I put it in this basket from Homegoods. And then these two little chairs are my absolute fave. I think they're so cute, and these are from Target. And then this old little table that I had, And it's just kind of like a little side table with a marble top that I got from Homegoods forever ago, but I see things like this all the time there in Marshall's. And then I just put a little fern plant that I had from Homegoods on top of that. These pillows, the texture of these is absolutely amazing, and I got them from Target and they were super inexpensive. I love the fact that they bring that beige color in, but give it some texture with the material and the tassels. And those are outdoor pillows from Target. Moving on to the carpet, I did get this from Target as well. It is an outdoor carpet and it's kind of I guess a charcoal gray color and a vanilla off-white. And it just kind of got this geometric pattern with the little detail of the tassels. And I will link everything in the description box below so you guys can find it as well. Moving on to the table, this is a dark brown wood. I believe they call it like an acai wood, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, kind of like the fruit. It is very, very sturdy, very simple. I love it. It's also from Target, and they did come, I believe, in 2 colors, this one and then a wood color that was more like this basket color. So very nice and sturdy and a great price. I think that was around like $130. So sorry that sensor keeps going off. Moving on to what's on the table, this is a basket that I got from Target, and I just put a bunch of old, see, like I need to clean this out, but they're just old candles. I wasn't really sure what to do with them instead of throwing them away. And I thought that that worked out perfectly because it works in that basket, you know, and if it's hot and they melt a little bit, that's okay because it's probably not gonna be something that I light all the time. And moving on to my most favorite piece is this couch. Side note, I also would love some suggestions for what to put on the back wall. I do think I need to put something there, but I'm not sure what. And I'm going to put some little grass in these pots. But this couch was my old couch that I had from forever ago, from my apartment. It's been with me for what seems like an eternity. And I wanted something cute but practical out here, and I thought, why not just use that instead of selling it? I got this slip cover from Target and I put these pillows on it. These are from my mom's house again. When they were moving, I thought that would be perfect on the couch to give it a little color and texture. Then I got these outdoor pillows from Target, and this is from Target as well. I love, again, this little texture and color that it just brings. Although it's neutral, because we know I love some neutral, it's still nice to bring just that little bit of something extra, layer upon layer of neutral color to the couch. So it actually ended up fitting perfectly. I didn't have to do anything except get the slip cover and put it on. And then we just have our little grill, which was pretty much the only thing out here before. And we just moved it in front of the door because we really don't utilize anything out back. And that's it. This is the entire patio, and I am so pleased with how everything came out. All right, you guys, that completes my patio makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, I will link everything that I can in the description box down below. Do not wait because some of these items are on sale and you can get them for a bargain, so you can make over your patio for the summer season before it ends as well. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.